especially the vegan cheese. A little burnt part. Okay guys, so here's my lunch. I'm super hungry. I didn't even give the broccoli time to melt. Broccoli time to melt. They let you know I'm hungry. I need some food because I can't even speak right to you guys. But I didn't even get the cheese time to melt. Usually what I do is I just let the cheese like melt and be sticking to it like glue. But I'm super duper hungry and I'm ready to eat now. So yeah. And this is just some broccoli guys with some cheese and seasoning. I made it for the first time the other day. I just used some frozen broccoli as a side for dinner, and I just, sauteed it in the pan until it got like crispy burnt like this a little bit. and ate it, and it was really, really good. So I was like, I'm gonna make this again. And since I'm hungry, and we really do need to go grocery shopping, and we're limited on food, so I was like, you know what, I'm hungry now. I want to eat, because my husband was like, just make a list and I'll go to the store and bring something back and cook it for you. But I'm like, I don't want to wait. I'm hungry now, and plus I'm not eating past a certain time, and I have like 3.5 hours before my cutoff time for me to eat dinner, and so I'm hungry. And so I'm getting ready to eat this for my lunch, and this is kind of a late lunch, but either way, it's okay. It's a pretty lazy day for me, to be honest with you. So yeah, that's good, guys. Especially the vegan cheese. A little burnt part. Don't knock it till you try it. Give me some water from out the fridge. And this will make bottle 4 and 5 for me today, as far as me drinking my water, because I drink 6 bottles of water each and every day. Lunch, broccoli and cheese, and 2 bottles of water. How many do you want?